Let's divide 260 by 2. Hey math adventurers! If you're having fun learning division, smash that subscribe button for more awesome math videos from Let's Stud. Alright, let's start dividing 260 by 2. We look at the first digit of 260, which is 2. We'll use this digit for our first step. How many times does 2 fit into 2? It fits exactly 1 time. Let's check 1 times 2 is 2. Now we subtract 2 from 2, which leaves us with 0, no remainder here. Awesome, you've got the first digit of our answer. Now let's bring down the next digit to continue our division adventure. Here we go with the next digit. We bring down the 6 from 260, our new number to divide is 6. How many times does our divisor 2 fit into 6? It fits 3 times. Let's multiply 3 times 2 equals 6. Subtracting 6 from 6 gives us 0, another clean step. You're doing fantastic, look at that progress. We have one more digit to go, let's finish strong. Last digit, here we come. We bring down the 0, our number is now 0. How many times does 2 fit into 0? It fits 0 times. And 0 times 2 is indeed 0. Subtract 0 from 0 and we get 0, we've reached the end. You crushed it, that's the last digit of our answer. We've divided 260 by 2 completely, great job. So 260 divided by 2 equals 130. Great job, everyone! We just tackled long division step by step and found out that 260 split into 2 equal groups is 130. Remember, every step builds your math superpower. Woohoo, you did it! Keep practicing and you'll be a division whiz in no time. Check out more fun math adventures at Let's Stud.